I saw this opportunity with a product that, I felt like rural America and smaller mom and pop shops, this EMV deadline and the overwhelming expense with essentially no return on investment as a real struggle for these businesses to, have to deal with that capital expense and try to stay in business. And there are too many risks associated with much of what has to be done, the replacement of dispensers, expensive retrofit kits, all those things come with a tremendous amount of risk that could potentially put you out of business. Typically, we're about a third of the cost. In some cases, there's been great stories that, you really helped save my business, and many of these rural locations, they'd be shut down. In your community and with your family, anything we can do to help, we're here to help.